Hello friends, welcome to the another video. We are on the same road again, Noida Greater Noida Expressway, and today we will see the cruise control feature of Skoda Kayak. So cruise control use करने के लिए we'll find the switches not placed on the steering mounted control. So Hyundai के vehicles में और दूसरी गाड़ियों में भी usually you will find the control somewhere on the steering mounted along with the steering mounted controls. So but here in this Skoda Kayak आपको ये इंडिकेटर और हेडलाइट कंट्रोल्स के साथ यहाँ पे मिलेगा. सो करंटली यू कैन सी इन माय मीटर कंसोल इट इज़ शोइंग द स्पीड दैट आई एम राइडिंग माय व्हीकल टू इज़ अराउंड 60 करीब 60-65 की स्पीड से भी मेरी गाड़ी चल रही है. कोई क्रूज़ कंट्रोल अभी सेट नहीं है, क्रूजिंग स्पीड मैंने सेट नहीं कर रखा है. नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल एक्टिवेट और स्विच ऑन द क्रूज. सो हियर यू कैन सी here we have the knobs. This is off, the mid one is cancel, and then if you want to switch on, then this thing on. Okay, so now it is on. अब ये on हो चुका है. अभी आपको स्पीड सेट करने के लिए you have to use these two buttons along with the on off button. यहाँ पे दो और बटन है resume और set का, you can see right. You resume and set. So if you want to set the speed, what you have to do is you have to click on the set button. So once you have clicked on set button, you will see यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा green icon दिख रहा होगा अभी आपको here. So now the speed is set to this particular speed, 59 kilometers per hour. Now if you want to increase or decrease the speed, what you can do, you can use the plus minus button. So here if you click on plus, you will see that the speed is getting increased. Okay, 60. If you press it again, 61, 62. And if you want to decrease the speed again, you can use the negative button, minus button, and it will get decreased. 62, 61, 60. अगर आप ब्रेक पेडल को दबाते हैं क्रूज करते वक्त, then it will get deactivated and the speed will definitely start reducing. I've pressed the brake pedal and you can see cruise control is deactivated now and the speed is getting reduced. Now if you want to resume it, again you have to press the resume button and it will get back to the same speed again by itself. You don't have to press the accelerator pedal or anything. It will just go back to the same speed that it was set to initially. So this is how you use it. Although it is a little awkward positioning of these buttons, but yeah, this is how it is on the Kayak. Thank you.